Let's be real, kings, rejection hurts. It's that silent sting you feel in your chest when she says, "You're a great guy, but I just don't feel that way." You replay it in your head, wondering what you did wrong. But here's the truth. Rejection doesn't define you. It refines you. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle rejection from a woman you like a true king. The first rule, don't run from reality. She said no. That's it. Don't twist it. Don't chase an explanation. Don't drown in maybe one day. A king faces the truth head on. Rejection doesn't mean you're not enough. It simply means you weren't her choice. And that's okay, because her preference doesn't reduce your value. You're still the same man with purpose, drive, and vision, and no one's opinion changes that. Let's be honest, it hurts. You're human. You might feel embarrassed, disappointed, maybe even angry. That's normal. But don't let emotions turn you into someone you're not. Feel the pain, but don't live in it. You're allowed to feel sad. Just don't let sadness make decisions for you. Real strength isn't about ignoring your emotions. It's about mastering them. The biggest mistake men make after rejection is chasing harder. You start texting more, try to prove your worth. That's not strength, that's desperation. A king never begs for a throne he already owns. If she couldn't see your value, that's her loss, not your mission to fix. Step back, refocus, and rise higher. Because nothing attracts like a man who respects himself enough to walk away with dignity. Rejection is feedback, not failure. It's a sign to redirect your energy back into your purpose. Hit the gym. Start that project you've been delaying. Travel. Learn. Build. Every minute you spend chasing someone who's not for you is a minute stolen from a man you could be becoming. Let her go. Level up. The best revenge is glow and growth. Rejection is a test of perspective. You can either see it as proof you're unworthy or proof that you're strong enough to be vulnerable and keep moving forward. Most men fear rejection, but kings? Kings use it as fuel. Because when you understand that your worth isn't tied to anyone's acceptance, you become unshakable. So remember this, brother. Her no doesn't break you. It builds you. It teaches you patience, emotional control, and self-respect. Every rejection is a redirection, not away from love, but toward the version of you who's ready for it. So there you have it, kings. If you've ever faced rejection, remember, it's not the end of your story. It's the spark that ignites your growth, discipline, and emotional strength. Use that pain as fuel to build the man you were always meant to become. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so more men can gain the confidence they need. Until next time, kings, stay grounded, stay focused, and stay stoic.